You hear this sound? That ticking is not normal. It's the early sign of lifter failure, one of the most common and costly problems on 2007 to 14 GMC and Chevy V8 engines. Ignore this, you are in for a serious repair bill. Here's the oil pressure reading, slightly above quarter. Still running? Sure. But in this engine, anything under spec oil pressure starts a chain reaction of wear, especially in AFM equipped engines. The ticking continues. That's the lifter tapping against the camshaft, or worse, collapsing. Compression test time. The cylinder shown here is low, way below the normal 150 psi range. This confirms internal damage. A stuck valve, failed lifter, or worn cam lobe. And check this out. Sludge buildup in the oil pan. That restricts oil flow to lifters and cam bearings, making the problem even worse. Here's the timing chain looking okay, but what you can't see yet is the camshaft lobes. Let's go deeper. Now the heads are off, and through the lifter boards we can see it. Deep scratches on the camshaft lobes. That's metal to metal contact from lifters and that stopped rotating. With the camshaft, lifters and timing components out, the damage is clear. The camshaft is scored. The lifters are worn flat. This is the exact failure that happens to thousands of GM V8s, and it's not cheap. Parts and labor can easily hit 4,000 or more.